Hello everyone, welcome to Baitcasting product. In today's video, I will show you the best low-profile baitcasting fishing reel. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Gear ratio 6.3:1 or 7.3:1 options. The Daiwa Fuego SVCS 103 offers two gear ratios, 6.3:1 and 7.3:1. The 6.3:1 ratio is great for versatile fishing techniques and provides a balanced retrieve speed. For anglers who prefer a faster line retrieval, the 7.3:1 option is perfect, allowing for quicker bait reactions and less time between casts. Max drag power of 5 kg. With a maximum drag capacity of 5 kg, this reel provides enough stopping power for various freshwater and light saltwater fish. This strength makes it ideal for handling larger, more aggressive fish while still maintaining control during intense battles. 5+1 ball bearings. Equipped with 5 stainless steel ball bearings and 1 roller bearing, the Daiwa Fuego SVCS 103 delivers smooth, effortless casting and reeling performance. This ball bearing system minimizes friction, ensuring consistent, reliable performance even in challenging conditions. SV spool system. The SV spool system is one of Daiwa's innovative features. This spool reduces backlash and allows for greater casting control, especially when working with lighter lures. The SV system helps anglers cast more precisely, even in windy conditions, making it an ideal choice for finesse fishing. Lightweight build with durability. Constructed with a carbon composite frame, the Fuego SVCS 103 is both lightweight and durable. Weighing in at a low profile, this reel is comfortable to handle for long fishing sessions while still being rugged enough to withstand the demands of frequent use. Magforce Z braking system. The Magforce Z braking system offers excellent control over spool speed, particularly during high-speed casts. This advanced magnetic braking system prevents backlash and allows for a smoother, more controlled cast without sacrificing distance. Compatibility with fake baits. Designed primarily for bait casting, the Daiwa Fuego SVCS 103 is compatible with various types of fake baits, making it a versatile option for anglers who like to experiment with different lure styles. The reel is especially effective when paired with lighter, artificial lures, thanks to its smooth casting and control capabilities. Pros. The Daiwa Fuego SVCS 103 low-profile bait casting reel boasts several standout features that make it a top choice for anglers. Its SV spool and Magforce Z braking system provide precise casting control, even with lightweight lures, allowing for highly accurate targeting. The carbon composite frame makes it exceptionally lightweight, so anglers can fish comfortably for hours without fatigue, while the durable build ensures it withstands heavy use. The reel's two gear ratios make it versatile for various techniques, offering both slower and faster retrieves. With 5+1 ball bearings and a 5 kg max drag, it delivers smooth reeling and powerful control over fish. The Magforce Z system minimizes backlash, ideal for beginners, while corrosion-resistant materials make it perfect for freshwater and light saltwater fishing, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. Cons. The Daiwa Fuego SVCS 103 has some limitations to consider. Its maximum drag of 5 kg is strong for freshwater and light saltwater fishing, but may fall short for larger saltwater species, making it less ideal for big game fishing. Although equipped with the Magforce Z system to reduce backlash, this bait casting reel requires some skill to master, which could be challenging for beginners, especially those transitioning from spinning reels. Additionally, the lack of a left-handed model limits options for left-handed anglers. Priced in the mid-range, this reel may also be a bit high for budget-conscious buyers, though it offers solid value for its features. Whether you are a seasoned angler or just starting with bait casting, the Daiwa Fuego SVCS 103 offers a balanced mix of performance and usability. Check the price link in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product for more fishing gear reviews and expert recommendations.